Hello everyone. I just created a repo on the industry opportunities for physics PhDs. For these jobs, I handpicked them from LinkedIn, and it doesn't include jobs that are completely unrelated to science, or if they are too junior, or if they are related to AI, machine learning, unless it's very relevant to science. Also, if it's uninteresting to me. So if you are thinking about switching into industry jobs, you will have to learn programming. Python, C, and C++ will be the best. And you will need to do some small coding projects, do those coding problems online. Ideally, you can also learn unit testing and design patterns that will give you some leverage. I'll just order them in terms of months and what the title is, where it is, industry, and keywords. Hope this will be useful information.